the fuck?
Okay, I already get. Bro, what are we doing? Sure white, sure white, sure white, sure white, sure white, sure white, sure white.
Bro, I can't even see that.
Podcast. Where are we going? Where are we going? Bro, I don't want to
What do
play
you
if we're not
mean
gonna.
where we're
We're not gonna
going?
do it. What are we doing?
Fuck
Essence of KPP.
are you talking
I'm not-
about?
Stand by. They're latched. Check your targets. Watch the crossfire.
I think we got a Draco.
Little bastards up front, big ones in
Standard
back.
formation.
Stop being a fucking You gotta kill them.
Feel the fire on that bulkhead. As soon as that door opens,
Yo, who? Fucking juice. Oh, I got this. I got this.
You're gonna fucking die so fucking badly, man. That door's gonna kill you.
I didn't realize how fast I die in this game.
Wait, what? Gets
You guys
restarted
will.
if you die? No, I did not die.
Oh, that's how I aim it.
Oh, maybe I did die.
Yeah, bro, I'm getting one shot at them now.
I'm wrong.
Why am I gonna have so much recoil?
You did?
I'm right here.
I wish Dunn was here. Probably, I'd be making him rage so hard.
Bro, why do you have to reload with RB? Why can't you?
My reload's X.
I reload RB.
I guess he just didn't change the fucking thing around.
I don't know how.
My crouch is just a V.
Oh my, yeah, mine is left listening.